This is Mrs. Earl with a short tutorial on the laws of exponents, including negatives. Let's start with 3 to the third power times 3 to the negative second power. We could write this out in expanded form as 3 times 3 times 3 for 3 to the third power times 1/3 times 1/3. When we simplify, we could put all these 3's over 1 because 3 over 1 is the same as 3 and look for the giant 1. 3 divided by 3 and 3 divided by 3. That leaves us this 3 on its own, and the answer is 3 to the first power, or just 3. In the second example, we would write 2 to the negative fourth power is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 times, and that's 2 to the negative fourth power, times 1/2 times 1/2 is 2 to the negative second power. Well, there's no giant 1's here, so we would multiply, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's, so either 1/2 to the sixth power or 2 to the negative sixth power. Let's look at a shortcut. For a shortcut, for multiplication, if you remember, the shortcut is to add the exponents. So for the first example, I would say 3 to the third plus negative 2. Well, we got 3 as our base. 3 plus negative 2 equals 1. And indeed, that's what we got. 3 to the negative 1, or 3. In the second example, we have 2 as our base, and we add the exponents, so negative 4 plus negative 2. Negative 4 plus negative 2 is negative 6, so we have 2 to the negative 6th power. Division with negative exponents works the same way as division with positive exponents. You take the base and you subtract the exponents. Our first exponent is negative 2, second is negative 3, and we subtract them. Negative 2 minus negative 3 equals 4 to the first power. In our second example, we have 4 as our base. We have 6 minus negative 2, and that equals 4 to the 8th power. But we could also rewrite the problem by removing the negative exponents. And we do that by flipping them. So the 4 to the negative 2 is rewritten as 4 to the second on the bottom. And then 4 to the negative 3 is rewritten as 4 to the third on the top. And now when we do 3 minus 2, we end up with 4 to the first power. Same answer. In our second example, we're only going to flip the negative exponent up. So we have 4 to the 6th over 1 times 4 to the second, which equals 6 minus 2. It's multiplication, 6 plus 2, which equals 4 to the 8th power. Same answer. It's always good to try a problem using multiple methods to make sure you haven't made any careless mistakes. Hope this helps.